Batsman getting into position to face the first ball of the innings. It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Splendid shot, and it flies to the boundary for four.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That is a superb shot of a pretty good ball. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Missed that completely. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Plays and misses. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
That's six. He picked up the length very early.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike.
It is showtime. Crowd going mad here.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
More than two fielders outside the inner circle.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four.
Can he do it again?
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles. They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
There is a fielder at cover.
Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series.
Wide ball signaled by the umpire. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six. Pacer introduced from the other end.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover. Strokes it into the gap for a single. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best.
That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets.
They would definitely have a score in their mind.
It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That's poor running between the wickets.
Inform fast bowler into the attack now. Expect some serious chin music.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Trying to up the run rate there. A very loose shot in the end. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Deep point in place.
Edged and onto the stumps. He's gone. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
That is edged.
That is outstanding fielding. Last ball of the innings coming up.
That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
The first innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get padded up for the chase.